Hello everyone, welcome to Tkinter Hub. In the previous video we have created this welcome page. If you have not watched previous videos, this complete project playlist link will be available in description box. So let's move forward. This is main frame of welcome page. Here I will add this whole code of welcome page, in a function. Now welcome page code will not execute, because this code is inside in function, and yet we have not call welcome page function. Here I am creating a frame, for student login page. Here I will do same thing, in the student login page, simply these attributes will add around color border and frame. And also here I will resize frame for make just like container. Here you can see frame resized, and also color border added. Here I am creating a label. Now let's add this icon. So here I will use same icon, which we have used in previous video. Now let's create labels and entry boxes. Using Justify Entry Box attribute, you can justify enter input cursor position. Let's add a round color border in entry box. Highlight color attribute will specify color of a round border, when entry box focused. Highlight background attribute will specify color of a round border, when entry box unfocused. Highlight thickness will specify size of border. Here you can see, entry box border color is gray, because entry box is unfocused. You can see, when I clicked entry box, border color changed. So let's create label in entry box for password. Now let's create login button. Now let's create forget password button. But wait, here is problem. Here is not enough space for add forget password button. So we need to increase height of this login page frame. Here I will increase height from 420 to 450. Now let's create forget password button. Here you can see this icon. This icon is not actually an image, this is a character. Simply press Window button and Dot button, and you will see a Emoji Explorer will open. You can get many types of characters from there. So we will use this character. Now let's create Show Hide Password button. So we will use images for Show Hide Password button. Let's load these images. All these images, download link will be available in the description box. Now we will add Show and Hide Password functionality. Now let's see how we will show and hide text from password entry box. So we will use entry box show attribute. Simply if you will add character or any text in show attribute, then the entry box all entered text will show in given character or text. Here I have added star character. Let's see. You can see my entered any text is showing in star characters. Now let's see how we can show entered text normally. Simply if you will leave show attribute value empty, then text will show normal. Now we will create function, and using entry box show attribute, we will show and hide text, and also we will change show hide button image state. So by default we will set hide text. Let's create function. Here I will get password entry box of show attribute value. And also I will check if the show attribute value is given. If this condition will true, then means password is hide. Suppose here, if user clicked show hide password button, and, if password is already hide, then we will unhide password from entry box. Here I have set show attribute value empty, then entry box text will be shown normal. And also here I will change image of show hide password button. Now, if this condition will false, then means, password is showing. If password is showing, then we will hide password. Let's add command to button. You can see button image is changing, means function is working without error. You can see, I can show and hide password. Now we will create admin login page. Here I will add whole code of student login page, in a function. Now student login page code will not execute, because this code is inside in function. And yet we have not called this function. Here I am creating a frame for admin login page. Here I will do same thing in the admin login page. Simply these attributes will add around color border and frame. And also here I will resize frame. Here I am creating a label. Now let's add admin icon. So here I will use same icon, which we have used in previous video. Now let's create labels and entry boxes. So here I will use some code of student login page for create admin username and password entry boxes and labels, and also show and hide password button. And also here I will use same function, which we have created for show and hide password. And that's for this video. In the next part of video, we will link these pages with each other, and also we will create the create student account page. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.